Hi, and welcome to this video on how to create a Shopify store. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with us. In this video, we'll go over the steps to set up your very own Shopify store. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that allows you to sell your products online and manage your business from one easy-to-use dashboard. As step 1, sign up for Shopify. To get started, go to shopify.com and click on the Start Free Trial button. This will take you to the sign up page where you'll need to enter your email address, password, and store name. Make sure to choose a store name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Step 2. Choose a Shopify plan. Once you've signed up, you'll need to choose a Shopify plan. Shopify offers 3 different plans: Basic, Professional, and Advanced. Each plan comes with different features and pricing, so you'll need to choose the one that best fits your needs. Step 3. Customize your store. Now it's time to give your store its own unique look and feel. Shopify offers a variety of free and paid themes that you can use to customize the appearance of your store. To access these themes, click on the Customize button in your dashboard. From here, you can change the layout, font, and color scheme to match your brand. Step 4. Add your products. The next step is to add your products to your store. To do this, click on the Add Product button in your dashboard and enter all the necessary information, such as the product name, description, price, and images. You can also add variants, such as size or color, if applicable. Step 5. Set up payment and shipping. Before you can start selling your products, you'll need to set up payment and shipping. To do this, click on the Payments and Shipping tabs in your dashboard and follow the prompts to enter your payment and shipping information. Step 6. Launch your store. Once you've added your products, customized your store, and set up payment and shipping, you're ready to launch your store. To do this, click on the Online Store tab in your dashboard and then click on the Publish button. Your store is now live and ready for business. And that's it. You now have a fully functioning Shopify store. With Shopify, it's easy to sell your products online and manage your business from one convenient dashboard. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.